Fire Blythe Station. Please respond for a vehicle fire approximately in the area of Westfield Road between Marnock Line and Scott Line. Reported a vehicle currently on fire in the ditch. It's believed nobody is in the vehicle. Our caller is not on scene. Again, that's Westfield Road between Marnock Line and Scott Line for a vehicle fire. Time of page is 20:46:18 on February 16th. Attention North Huron Fire Blythe Station. Please respond for a vehicle fire on Westfield Road, approximately between Scott Line and Marnock Line. Report of a truck in the ditch currently on fire. It is believed nobody is inside, however our caller is not present. Again, on Westfield Road between Marnock Line and Scott Line for a vehicle fire. It is 20:47:11 on February 16th, Blythe Station. Please respond.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Care 4.
Go ahead.
Care 4 acknowledges page for the Blythe Station. Blythe Station responding shortly.
Roger that, car 4, you acknowledge the page. Blythe Station responding shortly. It's 20:47:43.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Squad 5.
Go ahead.
You can show Squad 5 responding to Westfield Road. Bravo, Delta Belton.
Roger, Squad 5, you're responding Bravo, Delta, near Belton, 20:48:21.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Car 1.
Car 1, go ahead.
And show Car 1 responding Westfield Road.
That's Roger, car 1, you're responding 20:48:50.
Fire dispatch, you can show Squad 5 arriving scene. We do have one pickup truck in the ditch, fully engulfed.
That's Roger, Squad 5, you're on scene. One pickup truck in the ditch, fully engulfed, 12:51:17. We do have EMS and OPP en route.
Roger that, you can show Huron OPP on scene.
That's Roger, you have OPP on scene, 20:51:31.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Engine 6.
Engine 6, go ahead.
Engine 6 responding to Westfield Road, Hotel +5 belted.
Roger, Engine 6, you're responding Hotel +5 belted, 20:51:59.
Dispatch, you can show Car 1 on scene.
Roger, car 1, you're on scene, 20:52:10.
Fire dispatch, you can show Tank 9 responding, Foxtrot +1 belted.
That's Roger, Tank 9, you're responding Foxtrot. Can you just go ahead with how many's belted?
Foxtrot +1.
That's Roger, Foxtrot +1 belted, 20:52:56.
Engine 6, go Bravo. Go ahead, Bravo, Engine 6. Yeah, we're already aware of this, but Westfield Road is pure ice. Roger that, Bravo. Tank 9, did you copy that? Tank 9, that's 10-4. Thanks for the update. Fire dispatch, Car 1.
Go ahead, car 1.
Yeah, dispatch, I have the owner of the truck here. There's no one else inside the truck, so.
Roger, car 1, you have the owner of the truck, no one else in the truck, 20:54.
Engine 6, Delta. Go ahead, Delta. We've had multiple explosions from this vehicle, so just be aware of your approach.
Roger that. Fire dispatch, North Huron Engine 6.
Engine 6, go ahead.
Engine 6 arriving scene. Hotel B command and mobile.
Roger, Engine 6, you're arriving on scene. Hotel and command and mobile 205822.
Command, go Bravo. Go ahead, Bravo.
Yeah, when you set up on the road here, if when you pull your line, I would just stay back and hit from a distance for the first little bit. We still have multiple explosions going off in the vehicle.
Roger that.
Command, call Blythe Station.
Go ahead, Blythe Station.
We have some firefighters and the driver here. You're going to want tank 8 out there.
That's a negative. Just stand by at the station for now.
Roger that.
Car 1, command.
Go ahead, command.
Did you say you have the driver there?
Yeah, that's affirmative. I got the driver in my truck here.
Bravo said there's been multiple explosions here. Is there anything in the truck that we need to be aware of, or?
Fire dispatch, you can show tank 9 at scene.
There's nothing hazardous. Should have been in there.
Roger that, thank you.
And dispatch copies as well as tank 9 on scene.
Foxtrot to command, you can show OPPs at scene as well.
Roger that, Foxtrot. Fire dispatch, North Huron command. Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead, command.
You can show agent applied and OPP on scene.
Roger, command, you have agent applied and OPP on scene 210242.
Car 1, command.
Go ahead, command.
Does the owner of the vehicle need any medical attention, or should we cancel EMS?
No, you said he doesn't require any medical. He didn't fall. Just slid into the ditch nice and soft, so he doesn't require medical.
Roger that. Would he like us to go over him just to make sure, or he's good?
Yeah, once you guys have that knocked down, I'll come down to the cruiser there and we can take a look.
Roger that. Engine 6, command. Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead, command.
You show fire under control.
Roger, command, you have fire under control 210948.
Foxtrot command.
Go ahead.
Sorry dispatch, I was trying to reach Foxtrot. Fire Fire dispatch, North Huron Command.
Go ahead, Command.
You can cancel EMS after speaking with the patient. It was a very slow ride into the ditch, and he says everything's fine.
Roger that, Command. I'll cancel EMS. No injuries to your patient. 21-14-39.
Fire dispatch, North Huron, Squad 5.
Squad 5, go ahead.
You can show Squad 5 has been released from the scene. We're returning to Wingham Station.
That's Roger, Squad 5. Release from scene. You're returning to Wingham Station. Time now 21-15-23.
Engine 6, command.
Go ahead for engine 6.
You want to shut her down?
Copy that, shut down.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Command.
Go ahead.
You can show lost stop at this location.
Roger that. Lost stop is 21-29-57.
Fire dispatch, command. Can you also mark this location at 39541 Westfield Road? Fire dispatch, North Huron Command.
Go ahead, Command.
The scene has been turned over to the OPP. Command will be terminated. Engine 6 and Tank 9 returning to Blyth Station.
Roger that, Command. The scene's been turned back over to OPP. Command is terminated. Engine 6 and Tank 9 are returning back to Blyth Station. It's 21-38-36.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Blyth Station.
Blyth Station, go ahead.
You can show all trucks back at station, back in service, and can you download that call, please?
Roger that. All trucks back at station, back in service. It is 22:07:34, and I'll clear the call off now. Have a good night.
Thank you, you as well.